Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you that how you can install the Node.js in your Mac operating system. So this is my MacBook operating system, and here I go to this Chrome browser and search for the Node.js. And this is the nodejs.org is the official website. You can simply open this Node.js official website and you can see that you have options to download nodejs.js file. And in the bracket it's mentioning that LTS, it means that long-term support. So this is the currently long-term uses, or you can say the recommended version of this Node.js. And if you see that in the bottom, it's showing that another version is called V23. So this is the another version of that Node.js. Now, the question is that how you can install this Node.js in your Mac operating system. The very simple process is that, and instead of downloading the Node.js directly from this website, you can directly search in the Google call NVM. So NVM stands for Node Version Manager. That's a GitHub repository that can help you to install Node.js in your system. So you can simply open this GitHub first file, and if you scroll down there, there will be a process which will mention that how you can install that. The first thing is that if you see that install and update script, here it mentioning that if you want to install that in your Mac version, you can simply copy this line of code and then you can run that code and that help you to install that NVM manager. So let me open that terminal first. So you can simply go to your top right side and there is will be a glass icon. You can search there and that will open your Spotlight, or you can go to this all application and then open the terminal. Let me open that. Once you open this terminal, here you can see that one thing called your name, and then here it's showing that when did you last log in and all these stuffs. So what we have to do, you have to simply copy this code. So we'll just go here and then right side copy this line of code. So I simply copy this line of code and then I can paste that code to our terminal. But there is a prerequisite. Before you install this in your system, this NVM, you have to be any of this system. Like you should have that bash, or you should have that ZSH or KSH system. Then only you can run this. So let me do one thing. Mostly if you open this terminal and in your top, you will be able to see that ZSH. It means that it supports that ZSH. In case anything is not showing here, you can type called torch and then hit enter. And after that, you can paste that line that we have copied in the top here. So we can just after that paste that and then hit enter. So I'm getting an error called I need to install that Xcode command line. So let me do a thing. I'll just simply copy this line of code here and then paste here. So they are saying that I need to install that Xcode, and let's do that. I'll simply install this Xcode first. As you can see that the Xcode software is installed. Now let me go back and then copy this code again and then paste our terminal and see how it works. Let me put, and then you can see it started downloading that, and then it will create the NVM application. Now after that, what you have to do, you have to go to this here called this code. You have to copy this one and then paste there. So let me copy and then paste to our terminal and hit enter. What will be happen, it will refresh and that and then open in our current terminal. Now if I type call nvm / version and hit enter, and I can see that the NVM got installed and showing the current version. So this way you can install the NVM. The first step is that you have to go to this NVM manager, or you have to go to this our GitHub repository, and then you have to do a torch and then create dot a ZSHRC file, and then after that you just have to copy and paste this line. So this line CURL. In case if you get an error to install the Xcode and then copy and paste this line again. After that, what you have to do, you have to refresh your current terminal with that recent version. So you can just put the source and then this code to your terminal, and your current terminal will be refreshed. And after that, you can put the nvm // version and you will get that nvm version. So this way you can install the nvm. Now how we can install the node.js? Okay, so let's see that. Now we have to install that Node.js. To get that to install the Node.js, first step is that you have to know that which version you want to install. For our case, we can go to this version called v22.14.0. That version we can install. So what you can do here, also you can get the list of version. To get the list of version, you can type that nvm ls/remote and press enter. Once you put this nvm, then you will be able to get that list of version, all this list of version that related to that node.js. Once you get this list of version, you can scroll down and you can see that latest version, which is called v22.14.0. That is the current LTS version. You can see that long-term support version. Now, if I want to install this Node.js, what I have to do, I had to type call nvm slash then install, then this version name. So what is the version name? This is the latest version. We'll copy and paste here and then hit enter. Once we do that, it will start downloading that Node.js version, and then it will be installed that Node.js. And if you see that after installing this version, it is showing that default v22.14.0. So this is the current latest version that has been installed here. Now here I can put that note, then that dash version and hit enter. I will get that current version of the node. So which is called v22.14.0. And if you want to check that npm version, you can type that nps -- version, will get the nps version also. So this way you can install actually Node.js in your system. So that's it for today. If you have any question, let me know in my comment section. Thank you very much. Have a great day.